Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Priority Pass app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have Priority Pass and you want to go ahead and learn how to use the app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up the Priority Pass app. Now, what you have here is the Explore tab. This is really easy to help you find lounges in different airports. So for example, if we type in the Harry Reid Airport here, it should automatically populate. And then you can also indicate which terminal you might be going into. And then this is going to show you which lounges are available for your Priority Pass. So in Terminal 1, we have the Club LAS Lounge. And then also for Terminal 3, we also have the Club LAS Lounge as well. So that's going to be useful when it comes to using Priority Pass lounges. You just simply type in the airport and find the airport and see if there's any lounges there. The next tab that you have is the card tab. And this is going to show your digital membership card. Just in case you forget your Priority Pass card, or maybe you actually want to go digital and add this to your Apple Wallet as well. This is where that can be done also. Now the other two tabs, account and more, I don't use this all too much when it comes to using the Priority Pass app. This is just used to edit your personal information. And then the more tab, I don't really use this much at all as well, unless you need to message Priority Pass. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Priority Pass app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.